So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So based on the caption below, you guys already know what kind of video it is. So I make one. So I just cook some food. I'm gonna share the food with me and my son. But you know, I do the makeup, I put on the makeup because my name supposed to go somewhere. I'm gonna tell him say I saw me go up on the road. I'm not gonna ask me why I look so like it's only natural. It only makes sense when somebody gonna ask you like what go with you? More look at my about disease. So may I say I do my makeup for go to road and thing for get him reaction. So jump right into the video, guys. Mwah. But then if I try a long time I eat bully beef, but this nice butter.
So what one?
Eh?
What one for your face?
I put on my makeup when we're ready for go to road.
What do you mean? Which one? You
But so we're going mall.
Looks up?
Hmm?
Looks up?
Oh, look
Mommy,
Hmm?
you can't. You know something not a circus boy? Why you gonna try embarrass me in a public facilities?
Oh, may I embarrass you? Something wrong with my makeup?
Yeah, you have lipstick by your eyebrow.
And a lipstick, I like blush, like you know when you want your
You all
eyebrow
overdo
pop.
it on your mouth.
Come on, my lip look like me do surgery. You know, like how the girl that make one them lip look big and plush like them do surgery.
Your
So
lip don't look big and
you put on more than the amount, make it look like you have big lips. Cause that's how weird.
Mother.
That's how weird. I remember some just learn to do my makeup, you know, so
You say your makeup better than that, the way you talk.
no, but this time I contour it and them some there, it all look bright and so. And like I said, I want my lip them look big.
You don't stand on a dopey show. You need to wash your face.
Don't be sure.
You need to wash your face.
When I wash my face, I wouldn't go out there for yet. I wash my face after I come back from the mall. Eat the food because I don't want the place locked for me. Where fly come from? You know, so the fly, I was follow the banana.
You'll have to go by yourself.
If I do the juice, so look. If I do the juice, so come on to mess up my lip.
You know, you're not for drink it safe, but it's just being makeup. But it's don't
My makeup do good. Like I say, I show my contour my face.
your makeup don't look good.
I show my contour my face.
See your face time, mother, and show it to her. She'll laugh up her.
My mother wear makeup, turn up my makeup.
Of course, she wear makeup. Just you're not here.
Eh, and the simple food them taste good sometimes because I believe if I bad man I
If
like.
they are talking about food, I was gone. You need to wipe off your face and wash off your face. Come
What you know? But makeup you ever see?
I
You want to go for YouTube and see how the girl them put on them makeup.
Not like that.
What do you mean not like that?
You look like clownfish. Yeah. The next
But if
thing
you don't know clown, you don't know nothing about makeup, you're a boy.
I don't need to be a woman for no say that don't look good.
I just a trend.
We don't want to no more.
So all my face are separate from eat.
Come
You
on,
don't
like-
say disrespectful?
I don't like the look. You look strange. Husband wants you. We can laugh off it. I'll leave that tell you to take off that.
I saw the girl them a wear them makeup now. I saw the girl them a wear them makeup
Go to
now.
mall. And see somebody go know. Then the man ask me, who that? What do you see your mother? I'm not telling them say your mother.
You bring that to me, mother.
Them say
So what wrong with me?
Somebody man off for the street before.
What am I doing, mother?
But I know you. If we do go mall, there's dogs not near me. Don't go beside me.
Only thing about this, watch, I have to keep on after
Me there behind and me walk behind her. Just go like 10 feet in front of me. And me walk.
Look, all the bodies I have to keep on drink my juice, so look.
Wow.
Come back to go and mess up my lip.
How is that good? You look ugly. You have washed off. You feel like
And now watch out.
I say look. What up? How was going? How they look on the film and laugh up and not laugh up.
You can laugh all you want. A tree and a used to it.
But it's
Alright,
not
when we go to road, start pay attention to women. Like look at the girls, them like when we go to road and you see how them do the makeup and thing.
Somebody not going to makeup and then do over it like you.
Them have I not overdo it, I say I show my contour like my lip.
It's like
And
you
them-
have to contour then. So look at yourself in the mirror. It look weird.
I don't know weird.
It's
I'm
weird.
gonna take it off.
You need to take it off. Not to know. Can't even name this no more.
If I eat your food,
I'm not going over this. Yeah, go by yourself. Whatever you get. Or bring somebody else with you. Call your cousin. She go with you.
are you more have to bring?
I'm not go with
I
you.
might buy you some stuff. If you come, I buy you some clothes and things.
I'm not come then.
I'm trying to eat my food good. Because I'm cut my mouth.
You hear about that?
My food so. I'm good.
Mara?
Hmm?
Leave me alone.
And then, but look, I'm telling you, look now. My lip look big. My lip look big.
You look weak, you look goofy.
Oh.
If you have a clown, take it off.
You know, like I drink champagne.
I'm not contour that. A lipstick that you put on your eyebrow.
And why would I put lipstick on my eye? Yeah, well, I put little lipstick on my eyebrow to make it look brighter. That's all.
That sounds so dumb, so.
You understand? Trend nowadays are
I
different
do
things.
understand. It's not for the trend. You look.
I want to look at one of the dolly them. I look at one of the dolly them.
That's
Dolly.
ugly, though.
You look at ugly dolly?
Yeah. You look like an ugly dog. You don't look good. You need to take off that. You don't know who fool up. You don't know who tell us they look good. They don't look good. You look ugly. I'm not telling the truth. But if you want to go to work and embrace yourself, I'm not stop you. You can go on. Me I say man, you do.
My lip rub off. I'm going to put more back on it. I'll put some more on it.
Just go on there a bit. You have school later.
Nobody not stop me from going to the road.
I'm not stop
All
you.
of a sudden,
I'm
all
not
of
stop
a
you.
sudden,
Listen. I'm not stop you. But I said,
But you have to come with me because me alone can't
So that you want to do?
Me alone can't do everything them.
if that's what you want to do, go on. If you alone can do it, bring somebody with you. I'm not go with you.
I have somebody.
I'm not go with you.
May I see?
Alright.
I food that bad.
Your face is not more valid. You don't look good. You look at me, just look goofy. You don't want to laugh over every time I look at you.
You can't know you're not funny.
I'm not trying to be funny at the truth.
You're not funny now because you have to disrespectful.
Ask somebody else. Ask somebody else.
You can't. But if you ask nobody,
It's
even
true.
me I go work and say that someone put on my makeup because and when I'm co-worker them show me how for contour or my lip and them something
Your
there.
coworker take a video.
My co-worker don't tell me if you know either.
Take a video.
Only thing you just have to eat so.
You're not for eat so if you do it right. You don't even need lipstick.
What you know?
Well, better, can't go with you. You have to go by yourself.
Why you be like Rachel?
How much is something you put in the food? Just can't come.
You be like Rachel because you don't want to follow me.
Oh yeah, I can tell you. You better hurt me because your parents they give me food poisoning.
So my makeup about you that bad?
Money you don't look good. You look like clowning on one circus. It's always something with you. I'm not going over there, And then just wash up your face and just go on your bed.
I'm watching this and I go out, I go somewhere and I want to look neat. I want to look good. You know, I always have to put on makeup and so now I go to your belly not hurt you. Your belly not hurt you. Come like
It's always something with you, when I can't wear it.
Your belly not hurt
We
you.
must dream here tonight. It must pop up in my nightmares or something. You know what? I look out around this. Big moment you. I'm not going over there. It's them video. I'm not going through it.
The disrespect is real, but you must dream see me tonight.
You know me? I'm not gonna. I see him in the yard,
It's
now go
stressful.
see.
If I get
Yeah, I'm
stressed out.
stressed out coming around. I'm not going where it looks up.
And you know the front of the mall nice, me and you can take a selfie so.
I'm not selfie with you, so.
Yeah, but whatever someone can post on Instagram because we not really post
I'm not
nothing.
posting nothing with you on Instagram, looks up. I didn't even take a picture like that.
You can take it to art.
You wouldn't even take it to all, look where you look. You're like a crocodile for the street at Jamaica or something.
Shut you a joke, baby.
How much joke you make? Okay,
I joke I make.
You could have never go third, I look so.
You look like you're ready for runway or something like a tired. I joke I make.
But there's nobody that could go with you. And if I did go with them, I'm not sitting beside them, I'm not with you.
But my makeup on fleek. My makeup on
Your makeup is different, no type of fleek, man.
My makeup on fleek. Think over this.
No, no, good, man.
You know? Mama look at that one disease.
I'm glad you know. I look at your cheek. Slowly top of your cheek from my hand.
Hi guys. I need to make one name for my local squad. I can't use JJ squad because people names already. My lip, I know you have to contour your lip and thing make it look big. Because you want your mouth look big, you want to look at the dolly limb out of road.
You look ugly.
Oh my god. So suppose me tell you have to go.
But no, good.
Guys, we have to pull off that one, yeah. You want to see me itch up the camera out there, so. Look horribly now. The face part don't look bad, but the more part look like I want more
face part
disease.
look bad. Some part even have makeup on it.
Come contour them part, yeah. One part I contour. You know, understand?
Your mother do makeup better than that.
Him fall feet, and that's the important part. Him fall feet, boy, I get tricked. I'm a bag next minute I take up and go to the door and him have to come.
I'm have to come.
Him have to come.
Stay in my yard.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as usual. I don't know, we need to come. Y'all need to comment some more ideas. Like, y'all need to give us some more ideas because I have some story time I'm on dropping about God say I know if I drop them story time, yeah. And people are very judgmental. I'm not one for this nobody. But peace out, guys. Have a great rest of your day. I have some shots I'm on drop too. But y'all will see. Come on, go take one selfie.
I'll take my selfie.